English Speaking Practice. Topic: A Day at the Beach. Part 1: Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English speaking practice. Today's topic is a day at the beach. This practice will improve your speaking confidence. Speak clearly and repeat each sentence. Let's begin. Part 2: Going to the beach. Last Sunday, I went to the beach with my family. We started our journey early in the morning. The weather was sunny and pleasant. Everyone was excited and happy. We carried food, water, and extra clothes. The beach was very beautiful and clean. Part 3: Enjoying the beach. The sound of the waves was relaxing. Cool wind was blowing softly. Many children were playing in the sand. Some people were swimming in the sea. Others were taking photos. I walked near the water with my family. The view was amazing. I felt peaceful and refreshed. Part 4: Conversation at the beach. A. This beach is very beautiful. B. Yes, the weather is also wonderful today. A. Do you like swimming? B. Yes, I love swimming in the sea. A. Let's take some pictures together. B. Sure, that's a great idea. A. We are having so much fun today. B. Yes, this is a memorable day. Part 5: Food and Relaxation. After playing for some time, we felt hungry. We sat together and ate delicious food. I drank fresh coconut water. It tasted very refreshing. Then we relaxed under a large umbrella. We talked, laughed, and enjoyed the moment. Family trips create beautiful memories. Part 6: Confidence Practice. I enjoy speaking English daily. I am learning new sentences every day. I practice without fear. My confidence is growing slowly. I can speak English better now. Hard work always brings success. I will become fluent one day. Part 7: Closing. Thank you for practicing today. Repeat these sentences loudly at home. Daily practice will improve your fluency. Keep smiling and keep learning. See you in the next English speaking practice session.